This lesson is about plotting of points. So after this video, you should be able to illustrate the rectangular coordinate plane and its uses. Remember, every point in the coordinate plane can be described by an ordered pair of values denoted by capital letters. So on this page, you can see that we have 4 points. Point L, O, V, and P. And every point is described by an ordered pair. For point L, that is -3 and 1. For point O, you have 0 and 0. For point V, you have -1.5 and -2.5. And then for point E, you have 2 and 3. By plotting the following points on the Cartesian plane, we identify that point L is on quadrant number 2. As you can see, your abscissa is -3. That means going 3 units to the left from the point of origin on the x-axis. So from here, you go 3 units to the left, -1, -2, -3. And then your y value is 1, so you have to go up 1 unit, 1. So this is point L, -3 and 1. Next is point O. Your abscissa is 0 and your ordinate is 0. It simply means that your point lies on the origin. Your x is 0, your y is 0. For point V, it says -1.5 and -2.5. So you have to go to the left side of the x-axis from the point of origin. That's 1.5 unit. So that's going to be -1, and this is 1.5. And then you go down for the -2.5. That's going to be -1, -2, 2.5. So this is point V. For point E, you have 2 and 3, +2 and +3. So you go to the right side 2 units, 1, 2, and you go up 3 units, 1, 2, 3. So this is the value of x is 2, the value of y is 3. So point E is here on the first quadrant. Now take a look at this figure and let's try to identify the coordinates of each point. So point B is here. Let's identify the x value. So it's here. That means 2 units to the right. 1, 2. So your x is 2. And your y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your y is 5. So the coordinates of point B are 2 and 5. Next, for point O is on this side. So that's -1, -2, -3. Your x value is -3. And your y is here. So that means your ordinate is 0. So the coordinates of point O are -3 and 0. Now for point Y, it is on this quadrant. You have to get the x value by counting these units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then your y value is negative because it's going down. So from here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your coordinates for point Y are 6 and -6. So 6 for x, -6 for y.